Welcome back to Rockinrongarage. Sorry it's been a minute since we did any videos on the Maverick. We had a little, I ain't gonna say a bump in the road, more of a opportunity. We ran across a 72 Ford Maverick for sale on Marketplace, and I couldn't pass it up because it has everything I needed to finish this Maverick. This Maverick's a 74. It has the big bumpers, look like couches on the front and back. Well, the back had a small. So I went out and got that 72 for that bumper, for the small ones. So now I got the small one for the front with the brackets, and I got a couple for the rear. I got a lot of miscellaneous parts, wipers, stuff like that, just all kinds. Had a lot of leftover parts. You'll see the car. I'll show you the car before, during, and after, because I ended up cutting it up. I got a nice floor pan here that I have on Marketplace. Real solid floor. It's probably about the only solid thing on the car, to tell you the truth. It was, I ain't going to say a southern car. It was built in Canada, lived its life in Indiana. But they must have undercoated the heck of it because that floor pan is nice. Now, it is a four-door floor pan, which I was told is 10 inches longer behind the front seat. Well, behind the front seat ain't no big deal. It's got the humps for the bucket seats. It's got everything. I cut it right at the seam up top there, right where the gas pedal goes. So you just drill out spot welds. I got the rocker panels on it, so you just drill those out and you got a factory floor pan. You just got to shorten it up a little bit and just graft it into yours. I wish I had it when I was doing that baby right there. Well, I got the car, just got it all done. I'll put pictures in of the process, which, man, it's been about a week and a half, I would say, if not 2 weeks. That's why I have not put out a video. I didn't want to put out a video of me doing that to that car. Yeah, take it apart, cut it up. Yay. So I didn't do that. But I got a lot of extra parts. I've been listing them on Marketplace. I've been selling a ton. I mean, there were some really good parts on that car. I put a lot in my storage. If you know anybody looking for any parts, I got 4 beautiful doors with black door panels that are nice. Real good doors. Handles, everything on them. They're listed on Marketplace too. But I got a lot of stuff. Got the air box out of it, complete. Wiring harnesses for the dash, under the hood for the lights, just all kinds of odds and ends. There's a steering column there. It's in great shape. Brackets for the hood latch, wiper motor, gas tank filler tube, kick panels. It came with an extra set of kick panels in it. I don't know where I put those at. They're around here somewhere. Yeah, they're there. That's for a 2-door, 72. So I got a lot of stuff on Marketplace, just trying to get rid of it. And I got just about everything I needed to really finish that. I even got a windshield. So I'll be putting that in once I buy the seal. Down here, as you can see, if you zoom in, I got a leak. The front seal of the transmission is leaking. It's my own fault when I put that wrong torque converter in, pulled it up to the flywheel to put the bolts in. I believe the end of the torque converter tore the seal up, and when I put the new torque in, I didn't put a new seal. I didn't think. So that will be the 4th time I pull that trans out. No big deal. I know how to do it. Yeah, it is a big deal. It sucks, but that's okay. I got to do it. I can't stand that leak. But we got the garage clean now. I just did it today. Took all the scrap to the junkyard. Put the rest of it in my storage. So we should be, once I get those tools cleaned up and those parts just organized and put up, it's just a mess right now, really. I'm going to put the floor pan in storage until it sells. It's just a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm getting at it. And we're going to get the Maverick back over here, put the bumpers on it, pop that trans out, put a seal in it, put it back in, fill it up, put the fenders on it, windshield, maybe even a headliner, I'm not sure. We might even not do that yet. But it's best to do it when the windshield's out. So that's where we're at. That's why I haven't made any videos as of late. But I will be doing one shortly when I get that thing back over here, long ways maybe, and get back on it. I just wanted to get you guys up to speed on where I'm at and what we're doing. But believe me, we haven't stopped. We had a little opportunity and we took it. And it was a lot of work. But it's part of the deal, right? If it was easy, everybody would do it. So thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for the comments. Thanks to everybody that purchased parts, because I got them shipped, and there's one right there. The dash. The whole 70 dash right there with pad. Black. It's going. So stay tuned. Rockinrongarage. Gonna get right back at it. Thank you.